To read analytical information, how many visitors you have on the website, from what source they come, what they search about on Google, install Google Analytics app. After you install, open the app and select your account here. So you select your account. After you select it, go to and select the period you want to read analytical information. For example, from last week, or for the whole month. Let's have last 30 days. Okay, we have 98 new users, people who entered session. This means this person opened 2 times the website, maybe one in 1 day, and in 2 or 3 days open again. And to see from what source they come, go to acquisition and see all traffic, and we see total 115, paid search 86, direct, referral, social. So we have from paid search 86. This means most of the people come from paid search. Okay, let's see more information about paid search. Click on paid search here, and we will have some keywords. So you see keywords, from what keywords they search and come on our website, and this is for this period. And also interesting thing to read is goals. This is how many people complete the contact form or click on the phone number from the mobile. So all people who completed the form or clicked on the phone number is recorded as a goal completion. This means that these people are very likely our potential clients and very interested to buy from us. And we have 15. This is a good percentages. And here are information to read. For example, paid search, we have 50 people come from paid search. Direct 0, referral 0, social 0. This means most of the traffic, most of the potential clients come from paid search. Sometimes you can have a web banner on a website. You have a lot of visitors. You can have thousands of visitors, and just one person complete the form. But here we have just about 100 visitors and 15 completed the form. This means paid search is more relevant if it's more relevant and have more potential clients than this website who brings hundreds of or thousands of visitors, but actually is not interested and they close after they access the website. So in this way we can find from what source we invest, from what sites we invest, and come most of the clients. And in our case, from paid search.
We hope this video was useful for you. So check often this app and see what advertising is working for your business. Not by quantity of visitors, so not by thousands of visitors who come to your website, but actually people who complete the form from your website or click on the phone button. This means you will filter all this traffic, all this quantity, you filter to people who are ready to order from you, ready and interested in your offer. So check and try different ads and open the app at least once a month and see how they perform, what is the return of your investment, what bring you more value. So we wish you success in your business.